The High Court has directed the concerned deputy collector to immediately halt all business activities of 67 establishments operating at Akonda Beach, a protected turtle nesting site. The court has set a 24-hour deadline for enforcement, emphasizing the need to safeguard the ecological sensitive area from human interference. The ruling comes amid growing concern over the environmental conservation and the protection of marine wildlife.
Happened today in the matter relative to the Agonda turtle nesting site?
Agonda turtle nesting site, what has happened is the court has ordered that commercial activities in respect of 67 establishments on this beach have to be immediately stopped. The deputy collector will ensure that such activities are stopped. Actually, last time the court had passed an order on the basis of the statement made by me that the CRZ authority on the first date of hearing would consider whether commercial activities in this structure should be stopped or not. But unfortunately, the CRZ authority has not complied with that statement, and in fact, they are in contempt of the court. So the court has passed this order by itself, stopping all commercial activities. There is a breach of the order by the CRZ authority, and that is how the matter was taken up today. It was heard, and this is the order that has been passed. And within 24 hours, the deputy collector will stop the commercial activities in respect of these 67 establishments.
सर आगोंद कासव संवर्धन परिसरात एक सुनावणी आशिल्ली हायकोर्टान कितें हांवें
तातूंत आज हायकोर्टान एक ऑर्डर पास केल्या की 67 स्ट्रक्चर्स जी आसा पळय न्ही तांकां इमिजिएटली कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज ह्या बिचाचेर बंद करपाक लायल्या, कारण हो ह्या बिचाचेर कासव संवर्धन एरिया म्हणून ही डिक्लेअर जाल्ली आसा आनी CRZ ऑथॉरिटीन ताज्या अगेन्स्ट कांय एक्शन घेवंक ना. एक्चुली CRZ ऑथॉरिटी फाटले फावटी कोर्टांतल्यान जे डिस्कस जालें त्या प्रमाणे लास्ट तांची हियरींग जालें CRZ ऑथॉरिटी कडेन तेन्ना तांणी तें डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय आशिल्लें की कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज बंद करपाच्यो काय ना. पण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली CRZ ऑथॉरिटीन कांयच करूंक ना. ताका लागून हायकोर्टान ही सामकी स्ट्रॉंग ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आसा आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक डायरेक्शन दिलां की 24 वरां भितर ही एक्टिविटी स्टॉप जावपाक जाय म्हणून, कारण की जे कासव संवर्धन जे आसा ताजेर हो डायरेक्ट परिणाम ताजेर जातलो म्हणून ही ऑर्डर जाल्ली आसा. आनी आतां केस फुडें 2 दिसांनी फुडें कोर्टान दवरता.